We are excited to invite you for a remarkable opportunity to enhance your programming skills through our course on Python Essentials Part 1 Basics. Python has emerged as one of the most in-demand programming languages globally, and this course will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of its advantages, syntax, semantic, and uses in various domains. Python offers several key advantages that set it apart as a powerful programming language. With its simple and easy understandable syntax, Python has become a language for both beginners and experienced programmers. Its versatility enables you to utilize it in diverse fields including network automation, web development, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and many more. This course will explore the advantages of Python and equip you with the fundamental knowledge to kickstart your journey with this exceptional language. By participating, you will not only gain valuable insights into Python but also have the opportunity to earn a global recognized certificate from Python Institute that is part of Open Education and Development Group. This certificate will validate your skills and enhance your career prospects in the field of programming. This course uses the syllabus of Certified Entry-Level Python Programming Course (PCEP), and you may go for internally accepted certification as well. This course may be taken both physically and online. The registration fee for this course is ₹7,000 and deadline is 25th of July 2023. To secure your seat in this limited seats course, please follow the following registration steps. Either visit the Cisco Academy at UET Peshawar to complete your registration process, or pay the registration fee online and forward the receipt to WhatsApp number 0345 9065 404. For any inquiries or further information, please feel free to call us at 0345 9065 404. Our team will be more than happy to assist you. Don't miss out on this invaluable opportunity to upgrade your programming skills and earn a globally accepted certificate. We look forward to your participation in the Python Essentials Part 1 Basics course. Thank you.